Ah, peekaboo. That's our favourite game. Hello, Dolly, pretty girl. I'm just coming in from a different angle, guys. Yeah, just trying to catch her on a different angle here. Look. Hello, good people. We're wishing everyone a good week, aren't we, Dolly? Ah, inside voice. Ah, it's pretty, Dolly. Yeah, you're singing a song for us. Thank you. That was so pretty. Thank you, Dolly. I think you're going to have a little birdie nap now, are you? You look as though you are. Yeah? Well, we'll say good night, good people, hey? Good night, good people. Oh, I can hear the other birds. You heard the birdies outside. They're all going to bed too. It's true. And she's looking back again at whatever she's looking at. I'm not sure, obviously. Good night, good people. Good night, good people. Have a good week, everyone. Catch us later.